for man. No dey cook. Person say no cook for am. You still dey drag. You won't cook. You won't cook.
Keep talking.
I go talk. No phone go record. Just stay here. You won't cook for MC. I dey feel purpose because I no allow you. Like I don't even understand. The next minute now, if MC allow this girl to start cooking for him again, if anything happen to MC, they go say na me.
Everything the camera and now. I just want to follow you talk now.
No, I go enter the mom so that no be for this house. Anything I can do for us. You know, this one I just have this one. You won't just move on back. Yeah, if I'm not fancy, they come. If you can open my tell me say I'm being pompous because I no wan go beg MC making employ you back as
I know that I don't mean any harm.
Do we know you?
You don't, even if
You know, okay, me, I know myself.
I've cooked.
Do you know me? You don't know me.
But I don't cook.
That was when we felt like you have clear intentions. You want to be a cook.
Okay, no, I don't have clear.
No, you don't get clear intention. You don't first come and say you like MC. You don't first come and say you want this one. You don't first come and tell you your life story.
See, don't you never talk for this house. And nobody could be the last to tell person say I like you. Don't be me. Yes.
If you like person, why you don't come out straight? Why you come in we say you dey find work?
Yes, because I need.
Now you don't still talk your life history. You dey stranded, you dey this, you need this one. Why no go there now? Abeg, anybody wey be in your shoe that really need help, you shouldn't come out the way you are coming out. Person dey say you don't make you cook for am. No, I go far. No dey make me say make I beg MC for anything. And in fact, as this house, as far as this house is concerned, I don't want you to be meeting me to beg me to tell MC anything. No, don't do that. Just mind your quarters. You understand? I think me, I'm putting boundaries between me and you now. You shouldn't be assessing me easily, because one way you don't assess me, yes, it actually end like this. So if you don't want to learn, maybe now when person tell you some kind word, you go reset your head, because you don't want to act like a human, you don't want to act like a girl. Me say I dey shame on your behalf.
No shame,
I dey shame on your behalf. If na me, I go don give up. I go don give up. You dey allow yourself to be you that calling down. You don't be ashamed. You can allow yourself. Even if I tell you they record you because this minute you don't know wetin you go. Why you dey go record me? Because now you don't know wetin you go do the next time.
Which one is I don't know. I don't carry.
Imagine wetin you come tell me na make I go beg me you dey cook for am.
It's okay.
Wetin be that one? If I no record am now, you go deny me say you no talk am. You go deny.
It's okay now.
You know okay. So how you carry this to come into you know okay.
I just never talk.
You know okay. You tell me this how dey feel purpose, dey vex me. I dey feel purpose because I no go beg back make you go cook for am. I no understand. You know dey tire. If you really wan cook, say cook na your destiny. Na your akaraka. Why you no go find cooking job outside? Na your destiny na akaraka. I mean they say you may go cook for MC alone.
I beg.
They say you from your cooking to come cook for MC.
I know life students. I may love you.
You better make you hear us because no dey follow me talk this kind thing before they go say I dey follow you dey plan evil. I no follow you plan evil o.
Don't do. There's nothing.
I no follow you plan evil o. Nkiru. If they say you to come and cook for MC, I no follow you plan evil o.
No dey shout na.
No dey meet me to beg MC o. I no follow you plan evil.
No dey shout.
I go shout. And if you talk too much, I go shout. I go call him now. You go come outside.
I don't do anything.
You wan cook for MC? Shout. I go shout. I go shout. Better they go. You won't cook for man. No they cook. Person say no cook for am. You still dey drag. You won't cook.
Keep talking.
I go talk. No phone go record. Don't stay here. You won't cook for MC. I dey feel purpose because I no allow you. Like I don't even understand. The next minute now, if MC allow this girl to start cooking for him again, if anything happen to MC, they go say na me. I go beg. No only you don dey cook for this life, you won't cook. I dey feel purpose because I been PA. So because I been PA, and now why I go come dey beg for everything about Nkiru. I don first beg make you dey stay here. That one no do you. Now you wan drag me enter your matter. No go find work. Go find who you go cook for.
Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is MC Reality. They call me the Sugar Daddy of Lagos. So, guys, I have an issue for you guys that you guys will love. You understand? Because I've been receiving calls from different fans. They said that they want to be part of the show. When the show is going on, they would like to call in. So this is it for you. Check it out. MC Reality Worldwide present Unedited Relationship Matters. This one is happening live on YouTube. Unedited. There's no behind the scene. You are seeing it as it's happened. As you're trying to settle relationship online and any other matter will be having, you can contribute. If you want to be part of it, if you have any relationship issue you are having, any whatsoever, you can contact the number showing on your screen. And if the show is going on YouTube, if you are watching it on YouTube, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, MC Reality. Turn on the post notification. This show is starting first week of July. You understand? If the show is going on, you can call on WhatsApp. Please, WhatsApp. Don't call on direct call. WhatsApp. You can call on WhatsApp. You'll be watching us and you'll be asking your question. You can contribute to the show. I feel like this is the first of its kind. Please do well to subscribe and turn on the post notification. YouTube, Go and turn on the post notification. I love you. Peace and love.